Today I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the speed control module on your electric EEW5 if that's not working properly. So the one on this wheel is working fine, but what you'll see if yours wasn't working properly is when you would turn the dial, it wouldn't slowly go from no speed up to full throttle. You would see that it would either not function at all, or it would jump between different speeds, and because of that you want to be careful when you're doing this. But one thing you can do to test it is turn it on a little speed, but it might jump to full speed if your throttle's not behaving properly, so be careful. But when it's running, you can go down here and you can wiggle this little black lead, and nothing should change if yours is working properly. If it is not working properly, most likely that would cause it to go between full throttle and off. That's why you want to be a little careful when you're doing it, but that's sort of the way to test it. So now I'm going to replace that module, or show you how to do it, and I'll send modules to people who find that theirs is defective. So the first thing you need to do is there's this little screw on the bottom of the dial here, and you just unscrew that screw, and that allows you to take the dial off. And then underneath that there's a nut and just a pair of pliers will let you loosen that. So you can take this off. And now this is the speed module, and all you have to do is you just unplug it from the circuit board like this, and now we've unplugged it. And when you want to plug it in, you'll plug sort of this metal portion. It'll be face down, so this will be the part for facing you. So now I'll just plug it back in. And at this point you'd run this dial, and you'll notice when putting this back that there's a little up portion here, and if you look on the case there's a little cutout portion. You want those pieces to align, so it'll be inserted sort of like this, and you can see when it you can feel when it clicks in. You put the washer, put the nut in like this, take a pliers and make sure it's nice and snug. If you get any of the connection, if you get that connection reversed, it'll work properly, or it'll work, but it would spin in the wrong direction. So anyways, that's how you replace the speed dial. And the last thing we're going to do is put the actual dial back on. So at this point it should work. Plug it in, and sure enough, it's working. Thanks for watching.